welcome in this video I'm going to show you this airdrop that you are seeing on the screen. So totally free and easy to join. Okay, so if you are newbie, if you are naive, if you are noob in airdrop, so congratulations to you for this airdrop. So never be freak out. There is like nothing crazy type of work you need to do here. We just straightforward, easy and ongoing work. Okay, so what you need to do is, here is I put a link. That link is everything for you for doing, going through inside of their website and doing the exact task that you need to do. So click on that link and that link will bring you inside of here. I'm showing you, just notice it. Okay, so that link will bring you inside of fucking this page. Okay, so here is what you need to do is connect your forecaster. If you have forecaster, you can connect it, or you can skip it, no problem. Okay, I don't do it. Okay, so connect wallet, because here is wallet is everything is, and MetaMask is recommended all the time. So because of MetaMask is most uses a wallet in this planet. Okay, so I'm waiting for MetaMask notification. Will care in, but maybe some, I'm slightly interrupted while it's come to, my Mrs. brother is like doing problems slightly since morning, and yeah, it is worked now. You're lucky, and I'm creating video. I'm lucky also. So anyhow, and so work is simple, never take it complicated way. Nothing complex here. So maybe you already know everything. So if you don't understand anything at all, just write down comment, I don't understand what you said. Okay, and I will improve my video and I will easily talk with you. Okay, and I will, if I need to do add subtitle, I would add. So if you don't understand any specific subject, like what is MetaMask is, what is airdrop is, write down comment as well. So if you don't understand any specific portion of video, so just reach out me. Everything I put down on a description box. Check out description box. You will get our alpha telegram channel, where we are all together. Okay, we are from different country, but inside of the telegram we are, we are the alpha group. Okay, so anyhow, we have one intention is here is making money. Okay, I said frequently on video that we are, our intention is here is making money. Okay, anyhow, so here is just put your email and that's it. So I'm putting my email on here. So same way I do it, I'm putting my email. So this on, and click the submit button, and it will be immediately okay done. So much straightforward. Yeah, well, you done. Okay, this type of congratulations message will be pop up into here. So simple, easy, straightforward. You can do it, your grandfather can do it. Okay, so just keep update for updating, update about anything. Just you need to stay on our telegram. So how you can come through this telegram, check out description box of this video, where you will found two link. You can come through anyway. Okay, both of link. So see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting. Do subscribe.